Good morning, one and all. It gives me great pleasure and privilege to be here on this occasion of advertising online lecture. I, Dr. Dheeraj Joval, as a HOD of Commerce Department, would like to welcome all my SYBCom student participants for advertising online lecture. Today, we are going to discuss about the second question under the second module ad agency. What are the factors should we consider while selecting ad agency? Now we can see one by one. What do you mean by the ad agency? The meaning, the definition of the ad agency. Then after we are going to see what are the factors should taken into consideration before selection of the ad agency. The meaning is here. The ad agency is a basically emphasizes on to make a plan, prepare, place advertising campaign in a media on behalf of the advertiser. Those who are the seller, those who are the manufacturer, those who are the advertiser, on behalf of them, ad agency is going to make a plan, prepare, place advertising in a media to sell their product and to find out the customer for the product and services. Now let us go for the definition. The definition which has been given by the Association of Advertising Agency of America, and look at the definition. An independent business organization composed of creative and business people who develop, prepare and plan advertising in advertising media for sellers seeking to find a customer for their goods and service. The definition is given the clear-cut information on behalf of the advertiser. The ad agency is going to prepare, plan, place the advertising campaign in a media and to find out the customer for selling their goods and service. Now let us go for what are the factors should we consider while selecting the ad agency. Now I would like to tell you the selection of the ad agency is one of the primary function. It is one of the difficult tasks for the advertiser. As per their product nature, as per their suitability, they are going to find out the right type of the ad agency to success the ad campaign in the market. Now let us go. How can you remember that one? What are the factors you should be consider in the first module? In the first question, the features of ad agency, we have taken the is word, the same is word with the 7 points we are going to take here to complete the question. Also we have done the little bit change. Instead of the I, we can make it the alphabet I into L, and the remaining are the same point. Now we are going to see 8 factors should be considered before selecting the ad agency. Then we can say these are the factors we are taken into precaution while selecting the ad agency, and one by one we can see here. This is a shortcut. We can take the is and we have to do the change. I make into the L, then LAS, A thrice, S thrice, L once. Now we are going to see, look at the here first. We are going to make I into L, that's a indicate location, A thrice, AQ, then agency accreditation, agency compensation, agency client relationship. Then we can go for the S, services offered, size of the ad agency, and those who are the creative and the talented staff of the ad agency. And we are going to see the last not the least, media connection. If you are going to plan, prepare, now it's a time for the execution. We are going to find out the best suitable media, the right time, the right slot for telecasting advertisement, the right pages, the front, the back pages in a newspaper. Therefore, media connection is also one of the essential factors should be taken into consideration before selecting the ad agency. Now we are going to see one by one. Now look at the here. The first one is a location. Before selecting the ad agency, those who are the advertiser, they have to consider the location as a prime factor. The advertiser always prefer at least one branch or head office of the ad agency should be located within the city of the advertiser. If I am the person belonging from the Mumbai, if I have a business within the Mumbai, I should expected that at least one branch head office should be located within the Mumbai. It's because of at the time of the emergency, if I want to discuss about the advertising, any problem, any issue, I want to convey the message. Therefore it should be easy, it should be convenient. The advertising location should be within the my city only. That is a indicate it would be benefited at the time of the emergency. Even also we can say it would be save time, money and energy of other efforts of the both party. Therefore at the time of the selection of the ad agency, the advertiser always prefer the location is the primary factor, and the ad agency, the branches, head office should be located within the city of the advertiser. Now we are going to see the second point. For example, I have given the example also. College students always prefer the college nearby the resident area. instead of go away from their city. Now let us go for the second one, agency accreditation. As I mentioned, accreditation means to obtain the certificate or license. Even also we have to take the permission from the media, and those who are the agency, they are going to give the permission to start the advertising business. Before agency accreditation is a one of the criteria before selection the ad agency. Now look at the here, in advertising world, the accreditation is a mandate to start the ad agency in India and rest part of the world. We have seen agency accreditation, the certificate, license, and the permission to start off the ad agency is essential. Therefore, those who are the advertiser, they have to check whether the ad agency is accredited or not. If they don't have any accreditation, they don't want to continue business. If they have the accreditation, they have got the certificate, license from the media, the advertiser can prefer such ad agency. And even also I would like to mention here, those who are the ad agency, they like to apply for the accreditation certificate. The various media, they are going to provide such a certificate, such as the television, radio, newspaper, magazine. These are the various media authority, they are going to provide the accreditation certificate. And even also we can say the accreditation certificate is a provide guarantee about the ethical advertising campaign. There is a smooth conduction the advertising campaign business. Therefore, agency accreditation is also one of the essential factors should be taken into consideration at the time of the selection of ad agency. Now we are going to see here agency compensation. It's nothing but the charges, the what are the fees collected by the ad agency. Now we have seen the lot of the ad agency are working within the India. Therefore, we have to see what are the charges they are going to charges, and what are the fees, what are the services they are provided as against their commission charges. We are going to see, we have seen the different ad agency are charging different the prices as per our budget, as per our capacity, and as per their different rate. We are going to see here, the normally ad agency charges 50% commission as a media bill and entitled to get the out of the pocket expenses. And even also the ad agency provide the number of the services to the client on the number of the different charges are there. We are going to take into consideration at the time of the selection of ad agency, what are the charges they are charging. Even also we are going to see what are the other agency charging, what are the charges. We are going to make a comparison, which is the best one as per our budget. We are going to select the ad agency. Now look at the here, agency and client relationship. This is also one of the essential factor. What kind of the services they are offered, as well as what kind of they have maintained the relationship with the client. We are going to check here about that one, whether the agency provide all kind of the market information to the client. Even also what are their success rate in the market area. We are going to see here their quality relationship, whether we are accepted, whether we have agreed as advertiser, then we can go for to make a contract with the ad agency. Therefore we can say it is also indicate agency client relationship, and it would be, we can say, easy for the long term relationship also. Now we are going to see the fifth one is services offered. The ad agency basically provide the all type of the services. Here I have given the certain example also, piecemeal basis. Whatever the requirement of the advertiser, they are going to provide the certain kind of the services. For suppose I want the media connection, I want to telecast my advertisement on Kapil Sharma show. Those who are the advertising have influence with the color channel Kapil Sharma show. I can approach that one. They can provide me that kind of the services also. Another example, if I want only the copywriting, then I can approach the certain ad agency, that is called the piecemeal basis. Even also if I want the marketing services, they can provide the marketing services, research and development services. If I want to conduct survey, if I want to collect the information, I can approach that one also. Creative services, media services, whatever the services provided by the ad agency, and whatever the our requirement, we have to see as per our requirement, we are going to approach, and we are going to see whether these kind of the services available within the ad agency or not. Therefore it is also one of the essential factor, what are the services offered by ad agency, we should take into consideration before selecting the ad agency. Now look at the here size of the ad agency. Basically, there are the two type of the size of ad agency available. One is a large size, another is a small size. The large size having the number of branches all over the world, even all the billions of the people are turned with a huge number of the people are working there. Most of the advertiser they can prefer the large agency because they are having that kind of the reputation, goodwill, having that kind of the personal worker. Even also some of the ad agency just like uh, even also we can see the small size of ad agency only one and two branches, but if they're having the some talented and creative people, if they're having the close control over the advertising process, even also the advertiser may prefer the small size of the ad agency also, because they have the close control over the advertising campaign also. They can concentrate on the advertising campaign as per the size, as per our requirement. We can we can find the certain things and we can approach the ad agency. Now we are going to see the next point is here staff of the ad agency. The success of the ad campaign is totally depend on the skill, quality, talent of the staff of the ad agency, as well as the creative, innovative ideas, services provided by the staff of the ad agency. Therefore, before selection of the ad agency, we have to see the talent, the creative skill, the innovative ideas of the people who are working in the ad agency, basically the creative staff, the copywriter, the layout designer, then art director. We are going to see that one. Even also their successful ad campaign we are going to see in the market also. Therefore, the staff is one of the personnel of the ad agency is one of the essential criteria before selecting of the ad agency. Even I would like to give the one of the example of the Zuzu ad campaign, the Raju Roy, the brain concept of the Zuzu advertisement campaign of the Raju Roy, the national creative director of Olgian Mathur, the Bangalore-based company. Even also we know these are the some of the people are the quite famous all over the world. The Sundar Pichai, the Google CEO also, Satya Nadella, the CEO of the Microsoft people. Then we can say the certain kind of the staff, the certain kind of the personnel. These are the quite famous. Before approaching to the certain kind of the company ad agency, we are going to see the certain kind of the talent is there or not in the form of the people, in the form of the staff, in the form of the personnel. Now we are going to see the next point is that is media connection. Now it's a part for the execution of the advertising plan. Now we are going to actual running of advertising campaign in a media. Therefore, it is a need for the media connection. The main function of ad agency is to book a time and space in a media for advertising campaign. The ad agency should have to develop or connect with the media such as the television, radio, newspaper. There should be the department who is taking care about the media connectivity for ad campaign. For example, if I want to telecast my advertisement during the Kapil Sharma show on colored channels, therefore I like to find out such ad agency who's having that media connection with the Colors TV and the Kapil Sharma show. If they have that kind of the reputation, that would be easy for me to take the right slot and time, etc. Even also we can do the bargaining also for the charges. Therefore, the media connection is also one of the essential factor because it's a part to do the for the execution or action how to action for the running the advertisement in a media. We are getting the public exposure. Therefore, it's a one of the interesting or attractive factor. The before selection the ad agency, the advertiser should take a precaution about the have to see whether they're having the media connection or not. If they're having the media connection department, then we can prefer such a type of ad agency. Now look at the here. Here is the recap. How can you write the what are the factors should be taken into consideration while selecting of the ad agency? And here is a shortcut. Yes, I have to change I into L, and these are the 8 factors we are going to consider. Now look at the here location, agency accreditation, agency compensation, agency client relationship, services offered, size of the ad agency, staff of ad agency, media connection. These are the several factors we are going to take into consideration. And last not the least, thank you very much for your precious listening. Thanks a lot.